If you're investing in the stock market and still confused between ETFs and mutual funds, this video will save you time, money, and mistakes. Most beginners in the U.S. start investing without understanding this difference, and that can cost thousands of dollars over the long term. So today, we'll break down ETF versus mutual fund step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know which one is actually better for you.
What is a mutual fund? Let's start with mutual funds.
A mutual fund pools money from many investors and is managed by a professional fund manager. That manager decides which stocks or bonds to buy and sell. Most mutual funds are actively managed, are priced once per day, often have higher fees. In the U.S., mutual funds are popular in 401k plans and retirement accounts. Sounds good so far, but here's the problem.
Mutual fund downsides.
Many mutual funds charge
high expense ratios,
management fees, sometimes even sales loads. And over time, fees matter. A 1% fee difference can reduce your total returns by tens of thousands of dollars over 20-30 years.
Also, you cannot trade mutual funds during the day.
You buy or sell at the end of day price, no flexibility.
What is an ETF?
Now let's talk about ETFs, exchange-traded funds. An ETF is also a collection of stocks or bonds, but it trades like a stock, updates price in real time, usually tracks an index like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ. Popular U.S. ETFs include VTI, QQQ. ETFs are mostly passively managed, which changes everything. Why ETFs are often better. Here's why many U.S. investors prefer ETFs. Lower fees. Most ETFs have very low expense ratios, often below 0.10%. That means more money stays invested. More control. You can buy or sell ETFs anytime during market hours. Use limit orders. React to market moves. Better tax efficiency. ETFs are generally more tax efficient than mutual funds in taxable accounts. For long-term investors, this is a big advantage. ETF versus mutual fund, side by side.
Let's keep it simple.
Cost, ETFs win. Flexibility, ETFs win. Transparency, ETFs win. Ease for beginners, ETFs win. Mutual funds are not bad, but for most individual investors, ETFs are simply more efficient. When mutual funds make sense. To be fair, mutual funds still make sense if you invest through a 401k. Your employer offers low-cost index mutual funds. You want automatic investing without trading. But outside retirement accounts, ETFs usually give you more value. Final verdict, plus CTA. So ETF or mutual fund, which is better? For most U.S. investors,
ETFs are cheaper, more flexible, and more tax efficient.
That's why ETFs are growing faster than mutual funds every single year. If you want smart investing content, real market education, and beginner-friendly guides, hit like, subscribe, and follow for more stock market videos.